This is the final application in the course Computer Vision for Building Cutting Edge Application. It is a GUI based Python application that uses a number of deep learning models and give you stats about them. Not only it's a GUI based app, but it's an executable one. So you can give this directly to a client and it can, just run it on just like clicking on the app, and he doesn't need to bother with all the installations. So this is the most useful step that you can do to convert just raw Python scripts and just make it production level. So going from Python coding and creating Python scripts all the way to production, in between lies some skills, and these are wrapping your code in GUIs and wrapping your code in executables. So this is what you learn in this application and in this module of the course. So this is how this works. I'll click the upload button here and it will ask me to upload a data set. I'll provide a data set. So you can provide any folder that contains images. It will analyze them. So now it's going to load up that data set. So the data set has been loaded, and as you can see the images here. So I'm using a bunch of deep learning models. To detect the gender and the age, I'm using an efficient net model. And to detect the race of the person, I'm using the deep face library, and there's a race model inside that. And then finally, to detect the eye color, I'm using a TF-Lite model. And finally, for the hair color, there's another model that I'm using that segments the hair, and then you can get the color out of it. So a bunch of deep learning models are being used on each image, and I'm getting the stats. So if I want to get the same stats on other images, I can just click next here and I can get them. Similarly, for each image, I can get the race, age, gender, eye color, hair color. So I can just click this around. Now this is useful, but these are some of the things that even I can tell by just looking at the image. So how is this useful? Now, this is useful when you click on this panel, whole dataset stats. This is where even if you have like a 1,000 images, if you have a CCTV surveillance system where you're analyzing a bunch of people, and right now I'm just picking up generic stats like age, gender, and some other things. But if you're looking to deploy deep learning models that give you a variety of things and for different people, then you can detect each individual person, save the images, and then you can run a bunch of deep learning models and get the stats like this. So this is something that is really useful. It's like a turnkey solution that you can plug different deep learning models into it and just wrap it in a GUI app and sell it to someone. And again, like I said, this is really useful for many people. So right now I'm seeing the distribution for the age across all the people. So you can include charts, nice looking charts in each. Again, these are all interactive charts that you can zoom in out and check it out. And then I'm getting the average 70, the number of male, the number of female, the average eye hair color, the average air, the Asian race count, all the races, and how many accounts were there, how many occurrences were there. So again, really useful app, and you learn to build all of this and all the things involved in it in the final module of this course. So make sure to enroll in it now. Bye.